Hi, I'm Todd Hudzel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. The popularity of dual console boats has been rising quickly the last several years. A dual console boat offers you more seating, more comfortable seating, and better weather protection than a center console. This boat has been one of Grady-White's best-selling models since it came out. Features like this optional sink or bait station makes serving lunch, keeping your hooks baited, and cleaning up after a breeze. This large, sturdy hardtop and optional forward bimini keep you out of the sun and away from the dermatologist. The boat has large stern platforms, great for boarding from the dock or from the water, and great for hanging out in the water. It's also got these great storage compartments, one on either side. Perfect place to put your snorkel gear, your stern anchor, anything else that needs to be easily accessible from the water. These are just some of the features that have made this one of Grady-White's best-selling boat models. Come down to MarineMax at Panama City Beach, check it out for yourself.